In this video, I'll show you how to delete an additional Facebook account from your phone so only the account you want remains. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If multiple accounts are added, the app may allow you to switch between them from the account switcher. However, the easiest way to remove an extra account is by resetting the app. Start by going to your phone settings, then tap Apps or App Management and find Facebook in the list. Tap on it, then select Uninstall to remove the app from your phone. After the app is removed, open your phone's App Store, search for Facebook, and install it again. Once the installation is complete, open the Facebook app. You will now see the login screen. At this point, simply log in using the one account you want to keep on your device. Since the app was reinstalled, the previously saved accounts will no longer appear. Now only the account you logged in with will be active on your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.